This is Retro Plantines Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 inch clear stamp set containing 11 individual stamps. Do you decorate your home in a modern minimalist style? Now you can do the same with your cards too. This adorable stamp set contains a collection of clean and simple leaves and leaf clusters. The stamps are perfect creating cards and projects in a clean, modern and minimalist style. The set also includes 3 fun sentiments in a modern font that will complement the overall look of your projects. These stamped images will look great on all of your handmade projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. Retro Plantines is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more information and inspiration using Retro Plantines Stamp Set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.